This is Ford's F-150 Raptor R, their answer to a challenge no one asked them to accept. Under the hood, a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, borrowed straight from the Shelby GT 500 Mustang, making 720 horsepower and a whopping 640 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.6 seconds. And that's a truck that weighs over 6,000 pounds. So here's the backstory. Dodge built the Ram TRX to dethrone the Raptor. They even put a TRX eating a Raptor under the hood. But then Ford clapped back. The Raptor R now makes more power than the TRX ever did. And here's the kicker. The TRX discontinued. Ford still makes the Raptor. This isn't just a Raptor with a bigger engine bolted in. It has Fox shocks that adapt to real-time driving, 37-inch tires, and a chassis that's built to land jumps at high speeds, not just impress you in a straight line from the web. So here's a recap. 720 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds, and it holds the title for the most powerful pickup Ford's ever produced. If that's the pickup you've been chasing, there's only one way to do it. Kyle Wooten at Holler Ford. I'll see you soon.